Hi everybody, I hope you're fine. So this week we continue our short videos about different subjects of Buddhist philosophy and meditation. So what is important in Buddhist philosophy is wisdom or understanding, knowledge, because the Buddha taught us that all problems in this world comes at the root from our mental perturbations, mental afflictions like anger, fear, jealousy. All this come from a wrong perception of reality that we call ignorance. So for this reason, understanding of reality is very important in Buddhist philosophy. That is the root of all happiness. So today I want to share with you small introduction about what is the meaning of Dharma. Usually there's many meanings to the word Dharma, but the one I want to share with you today is the meaning that we translate by phenomena, phenomenon. Because we say in Buddhist philosophy, everything that exists is a phenomena. So there's many categories of phenomena. So all the phenomena, all the things that exist are included in two categories that are, mutually incompatible because they are two opposite. One is the permanent phenomena, one is the impermanent phenomena. So for sure, we are more aware in our daily life of impermanent phenomena. But still, there are some phenomena that are permanent. Just to give an example, the space, not like the space that we see looking at the sky, where the airplanes go, not exactly this kind of space, but just like the space that is the empty place that an object can occupy. You know, like if I put my bell here, it's because there's some space. If space was not available, I would not put my bell there. So actually, the state of the space, whether I put my bell or I don't put my bell, actually this space just abides into space. So the nature of space doesn't change with time. But the nature of my bell, though, is different. It's impermanent. The nature of myself, the nature of material things, the nature of our planet. So other kind of categories of phenomena is the impermanent phenomena. So we divide the phenomena, impermanent phenomena into three categories. This is the form or matter. Second is the consciousness or mind. And third one is another category of impermanent phenomena, which is neither matter or neither mind. So for the first category, form just means everything that is material. You know, everything that is material, as we say, like nothing appears, nothing disappears, but everything changes. So actually this is the meaning of impermanence. When we say that something is impermanent, it doesn't mean that there was nothing, there is something, and there is absolutely nothing. The meaning is that it changes moment by moment. So like example, the seed becomes a tree. So it's not like the seed just completely vanished in the emptiness, you know, it's just transforming into something else like the tree. So this way, matter is impermanent, always changing. May it be our body, may it be material like tables and cars, and also our planet, always changing. So this is for matter. Second one is for minds or consciousness. You know, like example, our emotions. This morning emotion, this afternoon emotion, this morning thought. You know, our mind is also impermanent. It doesn't mean that the mind, from Buddhist perspective, like mind, before this life, mind was existing, and after this life, mind will continue. But this is called a continuum of mind. You know, a mind stream, a continuum. So each moment of mind is different. So it's like every moment of mind creates the next moment. So this way, second impermanent phenomena is the consciousness or mind, in which are included like emotions, thoughts, and all these categories together. And third category of phenomena, maybe you're wondering, like, what is the third category of phenomena? What is not mind? What is not matter? What is left? For example, if you say, Jason. This is my name, Jason. Jason, is the body, is the matter Jason? If the body is Jason, so why would we say my body? It's like when we say my body, we know that there's, I and the body are different. So I am not my body. From Buddhist perspective, we continue after this life. So the body will not accompany us after this life. So if I was the body, I will not go to next life, for example. So I, or Jason, is different from the body, and also is different from the mind. Actually, Jason is just a name given to these components like mind, body, and emotions. So actually, like Jason, my person, or my cat, or the time, time is impermanent. 1 hour is impermanent. If 1 hour was permanent, so after, like time will never change. 1 hour would stay always forever. But no, we know that after 1 hour, it's changing. So like this, time is impermanent, but time is not matter. Time is not mind. So like this, there's some phenomena also that are not matter, not mind, and are impermanent. So knowing these things, slowly we can understand better the reality and use this information to how can I be more happy, knowing that my emotions are impermanent, knowing that my body, my life is impermanent. Oh, I know this is not like lasting forever. So I have to enjoy. I have to take care. I know this is impermanent, so I will not too much attach, too much grasp to this life. It's always changing. So this way it can help us. Janju semcho rinpo che ma kemba nam ke gyo che kemba nyamba memba ya kone kondu pewa sho. Thank you so much, everybody. I wish you a very nice week. See you next week.